Hello everybody, it's your boy Chillwell, and today I have Lean Cuisine sweet and sour chicken. Here's what the box looks like. Apparently it's from Nestle of all companies. Here's what the bowl looks like. And I've never tried this, so... It's a little bland, but still think it's pretty serviceable. You can hear the moisture of it. Overall, I'd have to give it a 8.9 out of 10. Maybe a 9.0, because there is some very sweet, very pleasant pineapple flavor. I like the pineapple in this. It was very good. I like that part. That was my review, and eat hurry, my homies.